So, should hunting be used to save endangered species? A part of me says I don't like the fact of hunting endangered species, but I can see why ranchers do charge hunters for trophy hunting. If it's for the sake for the money to go back to the other members of that species, for their breeding and raising purposes, then I don't see no problem with it. And then the other thing about these ranches is that, as you can see in the video, they send guides out with the hunters just to make sure they do the appropriate kill. Uh, for instance, in the wild, you do pay, you do pay for licenses, but you do have people that approach. And then also, let's be honest, not everybody follows the rules. I've heard stories from hunters that they just get impatient sometimes and do an illegal kill, just because they haven't seen anything. They haven't seen something they can actually legally hunt. Um, so I feel like these ranches have a better oversight what's going on. For instance, it's properly owned land. They send guides out to make sure these hunters do the appropriate kill. Uh, and then also, yeah. And then for the issue about invasive species, I feel like before we act, we gotta observe them first. Like they say, invasive species can be native species, so we gotta verify that first. And then also, I think we just need to observe them first to see if they could either adapt to the new climate they're in, or either if they can reproduce. Now, after those things, if they can adapt and reproduce, then we would have to worry and figure out something to stop these invasive species. For global homogenization, I believe that will actually decline biodiversity, which I think that would be a bad thing for the ecosystem or whatever it's at. So yeah, thank you.